Okay, on my Thursday night drill, I'm going to do draw to 2 alpha at 5 yards. .101. I can't quite show this. 101. An 81 and a 20. Okay, there's the bullet holes. First 2 shots of the day. They're a little wide. Draw to 2 alpha at 5 yards and 101. Now we're going to repeat at 10 yards. Draw to 2 alpha at 10 yards. Got 2 more alpha on. 182. That's a 129 and a 53 for 182. Now we're going to draw to 2 alpha at 20 yards. For my 5th and 6th shot, draw to 2 alpha at 20 yards. .202. It's a 137 and a 65 for 202. Okay, there should be 6 holes in this cardboard in the alpha zone, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Draw to 2 alpha at 5 yards in just over a second, 101. Draw to 2 alpha at 10 yards in 189, and draw to 2 alpha at 20 yards in 2.02. Thursday night drills.